Application Programming Interface. If you don't know about API, in simple words I'm going to explain in this video. Please watch till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like this video. What is API? In simple words, I am going to a restaurant and I sit in a table, waiter come, take the order and order something like coffee or something another sort of anything. And waiter get the coffee, I drink it and pay the bill. This is what really happen when I go to restaurant or cafe. Or maybe think like this way. I go to a cafe, I directly go to the kitchen and prepare my own coffee and brought it back to my table. I drink it up and I pay. I go. This is not really happen. Even if a cafe or restaurant, whatever, wherever I go, this is not happen. In the same way, think it of like API is the waiter, kitchen is the database, and me as a user. This is what API in simple words. Sort of food delivery apps. They don't have their own Google Maps or they don't have any their own maps. It costs a lot, but they use Google Maps. They don't directly access the Google or Google Maps. They're using API like a translator. In simple words, API is a translator for me and my machine, my laptop or the website I'm using or any sort of thing. Yeah, API is the translator. If you understand the API, then like, share and subscribe. This is Nani Maharaj for you.